Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Unboxing Hands. Today we'll be putting this Amazon brand Solimo tempered glass for Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Okay, first of all, with these wipes provided, we will first clean the screen nicely. There are a pair of wet and a dry wipes. So I have just done with the wet wipes. Now I will clean it with the dry one. Okay, this cleaning is very necessary because in case if there is any debris or anything left on the skin and you put the glass on with that dust particle, it will create a bubble. So we have to make sure before putting the glass that the screen is perfectly clean. Okay, also while putting this tempered glass, you have to put it the placement of this guard is very necessary, and it should be very like the alignment and the size of the screen is accurate, so we have to put it very cautiously. For a mobile phone the screen is smaller, so it's no such headache, but this tablet, it's 12.5 inches, so we have to put it very nicely in place, because if it get misaligned then you have to again remove it like this. You have to make sure that the borders are perfectly aligned. I'm holding it from the diagonal side, so it will make sure that it is put at the right place. Okay, once it is done, we will skip like this bubble removing part and we will go through directly how the screen works. But still, after so much precaution, there were some bubble left, like this one which is coming here. I have to, like, it took a lot of time to remove all these things, so which is why I will skip that part of the video. I will directly go back to testing this screen guard. There are small bubbles here and there, but this big one in the middle is a problem. Okay, I have put the screen guard nicely. I have removed as much as bubble possible. Let us check with the pen. How is it working? Okay, that screen is perfectly nice. The S Pen is working also fine. I was wondering because it was a glass, so might be there some touch issues or like this, but it seems okay. It's working perfect. Let's check this fingerprint reader. It is a start, so sometimes it like do not read it, but as you start using it, it will start working okay. Just wake up and put this one, because this time it unlocked on the second time only. Okay, so the glass is okay, it's working fine, there's no issues on dragging and opening the notification. Okay, it's reading the pen as well as my finger. Okay, let's try something on the note. We'll go to the handwriting. This is firstly need to delete it. This was something I already like typed before. Okay, now cleaning it. Now we will use the pen. Let's see how it goes. I'm not using normal pen, it's like a calligraphy I have selected, so you can see how are you. It's reading fine, and the latency of the pen is also improved to 7 millisecond for this one, so it feels like you are actually writing it, and it also gives you a feedback. It will make sound of like a pencil, you are writing the pencil, and while using the eraser also you will get a feedback like you are cleaning it with an actual eraser on a actual paper. Okay, let's go through some more. Okay, the screen is perfectly fine. I got it for 199 from Amazon. Otherwise, like other tempered glass I searched, like for this tablet they were coming like north of 500 600 rupees. Okay, I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Thank you.